Welcome. In front of me is a ZTE Axon 30, and today I'll show you how you can capture a screenshot on this phone. So to get started, let's open up content that you want to capture. I'll be using the home screen as an example for this, so it's already open for me. And once your content is open and visible, like it is for me, simply hold power key and volume down at the same time. You'll have a sound flash along with this pop-up right here with two options, so you can, I believe it was scroll capture or share. Scroll capture is only accessible in areas where you can actually scroll down, like settings page as an example. But anyway, that is how you would capture your screenshot. And to now view it, all you need to do is navigate into your gallery application. Let's get rid of this. And then select your library, which will have a new folder called screenshots. And in here you'll find all the screenshots that you have captured over the time. So for me, they are, I guess, both of these. So the time basically is the same. So yeah. So as you can see, that is how you can capture your screenshots on this phone. And if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.